Okay, let's learn our third note. This is the note G. So remember we learned B, then we learned A, and now we are going to learn G. So G sits right here on the second line of our staff. Okay, it's on the second line, this one. All right, and this is G. So G, as you can see in the staff, is lower than B and A. And A is lower than B, but it is higher than G, okay? So G is the third note. Let's review. So on my flute, to play B, our first note, we have thumb, first finger, and pinky, okay? That is B. To play A, our second note, we put one finger down. We wanted to go down one note, so we put down one finger. This is A. First finger, second finger, thumb on the left hand, and pinky on my right hand. All right, and then to play G, this is the awesome thing. We get to put one more finger down. So now I have my thumb, I have my first finger, I have my second finger, my third finger. I'm still leaving this pinky off, not using that one yet, okay? That's on my left hand, and on my right hand, I am still just pressing down this pinky key on my foot joint, okay? So to review, I have this up, my fingers are nice and relaxed. I am not squeezing my flute, I'm not trying to crush it, I'm being super gentle. My fingers are just barely pushing down those keys, and I'm gonna blow the note G. Okay, so that note is the lowest note we've played so far, and you might find that it's a little hard to get that note out. So what I want you to think about is having a nice, relaxed throat, okay? So the way I like to practice having a relaxed throat is I like to talk in a deep voice. And you can hear how, when you talk in a deep voice, I know that sounds silly, but it makes your throat open up. Another way you can do it is imagine that you're trying to yawn. So try to force yourself to yawn and go, and it might actually make you yawn. Okay, but when you do that, it opens your throat up. So watch again. Okay, you can see my throat opens. And when it does that, it lets us blow more air. Okay, so when we play G, remember our thumb, first, second, third finger on our left hand, and the pinky on our right hand. I'm gonna open my throat like I'm gonna yawn, and then I'm gonna blow down towards my toes. I'm still using a lot of air, but I'm blowing down towards my toes. Now you might hear something like this. That's the same note, just higher. And we want to try to hit the lower note, which means that you need to think about blowing down more into your instrument, okay? And maybe even you could think about where your tongue is, maybe squishing your tongue down into the bottom of your mouth to help you get that low note out. Okay, so let's review. We have B, which is our thumb, first finger, and pinky finger. Then A, which is thumb, first finger, second finger. Okay, we put a finger down, still pinky finger over here. And finally G. Put down one more finger. So I'll play you B, A, G. Okay, and those are our first three notes.